Today's plan is basically just finish up the rest of this by installing the replacement front bumper. Maybe we might actually just go through the effort of fixing this up with Bondo. It might actually save us more work. And also got to replace the lights and just finish up the wrap. Let's get it. Alright, status update. Check out where we're at. These guys took the liberty of taking off most of the things that were able to be taken off. And now Larry's going through the effort of taking off the OEM 3M, which is always a bitch. It's all good. Cool, man. Almost there. It's literally like piece by piece, man. And like with anything in life, if you just tackle it little by little, it'll eventually get done. I feel like this particular wrap, once you take off the protective layer, has a little more sheen to it than the regular gloss black that we've been using beforehand. Like you can actually kind of see that the reflection is a little more sharper. Closer to paint. You sure? Can you be my la 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 la? Alright, so I think we're gonna call it a night, but we will continue tomorrow, and I think we're gonna be finishing up most of it tomorrow, if not all of it. We're just gonna try to crush it. Larry finished up the trunk pretty quick. Like we were saying, the brushed metal is very subtle. It looks good though, and I think once everything is put back together, it's just gonna look really, really nice. Again, like for the most part, this Benz has a really square body, so I have a feeling the roof, this part, I mean like the roof and the side pillars are all one piece, so that might be kind of tricky, but find a way around it. Alright guys, thanks for the helps. Catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, we're back, and Larry is taking care of the roof. As you can see, yeah, you guys did this all in one piece, eh? Yeah. Damn. Yeah, there is no like seam here or anything, so got some body filler here, some Bondo, and like I said yesterday, we're just gonna try and fix up the bumper as best as we can, fill in all of these little paint chips, and like this, oops, I kind of want to keep that on there, and just we'll plaster it and make it look flat, sand it down, tape, fill in all the cracks. Yeah, let's get it. You just take it off completely? Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, that's better if we do that. So he's putting in the Bondo. I'm gonna try to fill that little gap there. And then I'm just trying to fill in all of these little nicks with body filler. Down. There's barely any room to call those back seats. They're dog seats. This one looks sick.
Yeah, no, because it's a roadster, so it's just 2 seats, right?
True. So the Bondo is pretty much dry, and we've sanded it down, but if you look closely, there is this line right here that we have to actually continue. So we're gonna mask it off with green tape, and then I'm just gonna score it with a file. There's also these missing pieces on the side skirts here, which is a really rare, hard piece to find. It looks like the side skirt's gonna take a lot of work to take off, but Bobby does have replacements for them. It's just, I think what we're gonna end up doing is we're just gonna try our best to cut out that little shape from the new side skirts and just fit them on the side skirts that are currently on the vehicle. So basically take the Duraflex side skirt, we'll try to line it up, shape it out, and cut it.
Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out, turnstile. I see when the time's out, get my burst out, fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. I know kids got me daddy of the day.
Okay, so my mom called me and told me that my son's missing me. So I gotta go pick Gohan up, but I'm gonna leave the rest of the wrapping to these guys and whatever they can get done for the rest of the night. These guys are crushing it, man. So let me show you, small status update. Side skirts, pretty much done. I just gotta trim this side now. The car itself is like, I'd say 80%. It's really just the bumpers now that are missing. Sonny worked on this side skirt, looking good. Ooh, oh, just to give you guys an idea. Whoa. See you guys later. See you guys later. Thank you, thank you. Pretty close. Just gotta do a little bit of sanding. Alright, day 3 of wrapping this Benz, and Larry's doing some good work over here. Has the front bumper almost finished. Yeah, I think this bumper is just super awkward, but he was able to do it all in one piece. Pro master. While he's doing that, I'm eating my lunch. And also wrapping the front grille here. So what we decided is, instead of painting it black, just individually wrapped each level. Not bad. Just took a little bit of time. And Sunny here, repping KMR. Sweet man. See you writing your goals up there, bro.
Yeah, bro.
2020 goals for Sunny.
2020.
Yo, guys, let's help this kid get to 2K. Follow him right now. Nice, dog. Everyone needs a whiteboard of goals. It's not enough to just have it in your mind. So if you keep it up here, it'll stay your dream. Gotta work towards them. Finish my McDicks here. And final piece is the rear, and we're just about to get started. You said it was 10 feet?
Yeah, 10 plus. Hold the middle.
black boys. Yeah. Such a Vice City car. Alright guys, so close. Just a little bit more final touches here and there, but the wrap's on. Just gotta take this off. Damn, son. Conclude tomorrow. Finally get this thing out of here. It's been here for 6 months. Well, actually, yeah, it's been out a couple of times. Parked it outside and it snowed on top. And sunshine is what we're expecting on the forecast, right? Sunrise.
That's right. PRG's coming here tomorrow.
It's almost time to take out the toys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Right, next and final day, we are getting the Benz's windows tinted in 5%. Super VIP and super legal. But it looks good.
너를 만나고 내가 많이 변한 것 같은 내 말이 뭐냐면 우리가 나눈 모든 기억들이 너무나 귀하고 너가 소중하다는 말이야. 우리가 누구보다도 아름다운 사이가 되길 원해.
Last remaining touches. Gloss black, gloss royalty banner. Yep. Dude asked us what we do here. We just have fun. Fun with our friends. I just like to do hood rat shit with my friends. Actually, while that guy's here, he's working on the Mustang too, so it's 2 birds. This thing is looking so heaty. Sunny is applying this. What is it called?
It is called Car Pro Skin.
Car Pro Skin?
A ceramic coating for PPF.
So it's just adding another protective layer here, and he says that like it's water repellent, so if you were to put water on here it would bead in circles. This is how you apply it. And also supposedly it's gonna add another sheen to the already glossy black wrap. Interesting, interesting.
Fills in minor scratches.
Really?
Yep.
Oh wow.
This will help fill in a lot of the micro scratches.
And those micro scratches he's talking about are some of the ones that would be left on when you're using a dirty squeegee. Interesting, interesting. This is the 5%, man. Look at the diff. Jeez. So we didn't really end yesterday's video, so I'm gonna do it now. Show you guys exactly what we changed on this thing. Missing its headlights, but other than that, it's complete.
I've had enough of your shit, I'm about to rage.